culture, right? Question is, one of our fundamental duty is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Right, this one. I hope you all are watching it, seeing it. Okay. The question is what? One of our fundamental duty is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Right? First of all, you have to learn. In the middle box, it is written, as a citizen of India, how can we preserve our rich heritage? I mean, first of all, you have to learn what is heritage. Heritage is something that is valuable and given by our past generation or ancestors. These are some important things, important part of culture, tradition, buildings, you can say, art and architecture, right? That is the legacy of us. That is given by our old generation to us, which have much more importance, right? And it is the duty of the citizen of all the countries to preserve, to protect, to keep their heritage safe. Is it clear? Now, here is the question, as a citizen of India, how can we protect or preserve our rich heritage? Heritage. Is it clear? I will say you all minimum 5 points you have to think. How will you, or how does a citizen, or how can a citizen preserve our rich heritage? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points you have to write. Okay, you have to do in a chart paper at your home, right? I am explaining some important things, important suggestions, ways to protect our rich heritage. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, here one word is also composite. Composite means mix, right? It is said our Indian culture is a mixed culture, composite culture. Why? Because in India there are different cultures, people. There are different cultures. There are different groups of people, right? Different groups means the people have different religion, different languages, different custom, traditions, beliefs, right? Which makes a culture. Here you should learn what is meaning of culture, what is meant by the term culture. Culture is our living standard, right? Culture is our living standard. How do we talk? How do we behave with others? Huh? How do we respect others? What is our dress, costume, eating habits, right? Meeting with each other's ways. So all these are called the culture. Our literary achievement is a part of our culture, art, architecture, everything. Ah, so this is called composite. Here, India has a composite culture. I mean, mixed culture. Hindu, Muslim, Christians, no, Sikh, Jain, Buddhist. So many groups of people are living here, and their culture is different. In spite of it, there is no class. There is no too much uh, differences in our behavior, in our outlook. We live as we are one. It means our culture is one. Composite culture, mixed culture. That is why, because we pay proper regard and respect to each other's culture. It is why Indian culture is called a composite culture. Okay, now we have to think about the ways how do we protect, how do we preserve our rich heritage. To clear your concept, I am giving you some hints. Let me to explain it, and you will keep all the information point wise in short in this box. When you will prepare these activities, just like, no doubt it is a value based question, but you have to do it on your chart paper also. And below the diagram, you will have to write in complete sentence about each of these points that you will feed in the box. Now you see some hints I am giving you, right? You have to think about the 5 main points. How do you protect your culture? Now, first, here you see some information or basic knowledge I am giving you. We can inculcate responsibility among our children to preserve the heritage by telling them their importance and role in history of world. Is it clear? We can inculcate a responsibility, right? Good. Okay. Now listen. First of all, we should learn now that first steps should be taken to develop the sense of responsibility among citizens, right? To develop the sense of responsibility regarding heritage, right? Regarding heritage. So in this way, uh, now you don't disturb me by asking the question in which copy I will write. Both the copy you will prepare. You will be ready with both the copy, history and civics. Now let me to say, we can, first point what will be there, we should develop the sense of responsibility among the children, right? First point, for what purpose? To preserve the heritage. Now next point, we have to say them the importance of the heritage. To third, we should not, we should stop writing, littering, spitting, and pasting any type of paper on the walls of the monuments. What happened? You have visited at many places, at many heritage places, many tourist places, the important buildings, important uh, aspects of the heritage or sites are busy. You have seen something is written there. Many persons or visitors write their names, write something else. It should be stopped because it damages our heritage and it destroys the decency of our heritage. So it should be stopped. In this way, then other step is what? To prevent everyone, to check everyone, to stop everyone from writing, lettering, spitting, and pasting any type of paper on the wall. Okay, of monuments. Next, since these monuments are the symbol of our remote and ancient history, I mean, it says so many things about our history, right? About ancient history. It is a source of information that is related with our life, with our culture. So it must be preserved. Now, next is what? We can publicize and spread awareness among people about the historical importance of the ancient monuments. Different programs should be organized. to spread the awareness. तो ये भी एक पॉइंट होगी आपको. By organizing different programs, we have to spread awareness about the heritage. Now, next you see, right? Next is what the summarized points are here. Prevent ourselves or citizens and other citizens from scribbling on the wall. Scribbling on the walls. I mean scribe करना, उसको कुरेद कर अलग करना. I mean to cut the surface of the wall or the buildings to write something. Next is participating in the regular cleanliness drives. I mean, always we have to be ready. We should be very careful toward the cleanliness of that sites. I mean, heritage place must be neat and clean. So this is also a step, right? Next क्या है? Being a part of adopt a heritage initiative, right? I mean, we have to develop some heritage, responsibility that I have already discussed. So we have to adopt a heritage initiative. I mean, some special steps to preserve our heritage or to take care of heritage. For example, we must check the pollution because it is also a harmful step. It is also very harmful for our heritage. How can we check pollution? How can check the spread of pollutants in such sites? Steps should be taken in this regard. Now next is what? Spreading awareness around about these monuments and their importance so that visitors can feel the importance of such places and they can cooperate, help in preserving our heritage. So I think sufficient points I have discussed. Have you understood? And from these videos or knowledge that I tried to give you, you can summarize it and 5 points you will write. Now, one thing that is very, very important you should learn, last but not the least, apart from all these points, you are free to write any relevant points. ऐसा नहीं कि सर ने जो कहा उसी में हम लिखे, नहीं, आप अपने से भी कुछ पॉइंट्स उसमें लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, फिर से एक बार मैं बता रहा हूं आपको. ये जो आपने स्लाइड देखा, राइट, जो इसमें डायग्राम बना हुआ है आपकी बुक में और स्लाइड में भी है. स्लाइड में भी अभी जो आपने देखा बुक का पीडीएफ में जो मैंने आपको दिखाया, यू हैव टू फील द मेन पॉइंट्स इन दिस 5 points. I mean, in this you will write one in short, right? You will have to write, and after that, below this diagram, I mean in your chart paper, 1/4 size chart paper you will use if it is available. If it is not available, you can write in any paper. Okay. And if it is not available, do not run toward the stationery store. You can make it in your copy also. But in case if you have no chart paper, right? So there is no need to be panicked where I will go, how I will buy the copies and papers, etc. Available material should be used. So you will write all these points in short. Point you will write here, right? And after that, you will write 5 points here. Explain each points in not more than 2 lines. Is it clear? Each point should be discussed not more than 2 lines. you can write in colorful way. This will also be an activity. Is it clear? And other activity already I have given this map skill homework. Yesterday I have given it as a homework. It will also be shown. First, you will show the history work, and if time will be with us, we will see. I will see the civics copy also. First, history. All the chapters must be up to date. Okay. Now be ready, and in your chat box, I am going to give you the link of your online test.